Morning, everyone. This is Norm, Bear Bull Traders. Just wanted to do a quick recap on a one-and-done trade I had this morning on Target. I started out the morning, I was a little edgy. I increased my share size today, 25%, sitting on 6 green days. So I came into this morning a little bit edgier than I should have been. I actually missed out on 2 good trades. One of them was a opening range breakdown on Target right here. I failed to get in near VWAP when it started reversing to come down. It would have been a great trade. I missed it. I didn't let FOMO take over, thankfully. I also missed a good trade here on MU. I was a break up after it tested this low. I was going to try to get in VWAP when it crossed here and get in. I missed that. But sat on my hands, which was fun. Target was an opening range breakdown. It was gorgeous. I actually, like I said, I missed taking this trade to begin with, but I held on. I kept an eye on it. It tried to approach the pre-market low here, and it came back up pretty quickly. It had tested this moving average. I also noticed this on the 15-minute. This seemed to be very strong support. So I watched it for a moment. This candle on the 1-minute broke the previous high, failed to make a new low, and that's when I got in, and it was about 87.25. Rode this up. My stop would have been breaking this previous candle right here, so 87. It was about 25 cents. And my target was VWAP, which was 87.86, so about 60 cents upside, 25 cent downside, so about 3 to 1 or a little bit less risk to reward on that. Risk to reward panned out. So I entered the trade. As you can see, I started taking some off at VWAP. I wanted to make sure that it wasn't going to break that. It was struggling here for a minute, so I scaled out another 25% of my remaining share size and then was letting the rest run. Came up, broke that moving average, which was another target to scale out. I took some there. And then I sat on it. I was either going to let it come back to this high of the day and approach that 88.82 would have been my target, or VWAP. If it started to lose VWAP, I was going to get out, which has ended up what happened. I didn't have many shares left. I went ahead and took the rest of my profits on this. Target's a NYSE stock. I didn't want to mess with it because it could get real choppy as volume settles down, especially on a summer Monday, or excuse me, on a summer midday. So anyway, that's my trade for the day. One and done. 7 days green now, and good luck to y'all. Everybody, trade safe, be smart. Thanks.